Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. So in this video we are going to be looking at what is dynamic import and how can we implement it inside a JavaScript file or JavaScript program. So basically for example, if you have a library, third-party library, and what you want to do, you want to import that library on any kind of event handler like on click or on blur on change, then you can do that with the help of dynamic import. So in the index.html, if you can see that currently we have a title, right? And then h1 tag, and then after that we do have a button with the id of btn, and obviously I'm importing my script, right? I have not imported anything related to this library.js, and inside this library.js we do have a very simple function, click triggered, and inside that we are alerting alert from third-party library. So let's just create constant variable of button document.getElement by id. I think that is btn, and btn.add event listener click, and inside the click what I want to do, I want to import the library.js. So how can we do that? For that we can use the import method, and inside here I can assign library.js, and this returns us a promise. And obviously if we want to invoke the promise and if we want to receive the values from the promise, then we can be able to do it using the promise chaining. So we can use .then res dot click triggered. As you can see, the click trigger function has been popped up inside the IntelliSense window. So if I save it, if I click it, then we are getting the alert from the third party library.js, right? And if I refresh the file again, and if we come over here inside the network tab, then you can notice that there is no presence of library.js. But when I will click this button, click me, then you will notice that our program, our file will import the library.js. So as you can see right over here that it has imported library.js, and after the importing we have run our function click triggered. So this is a very useful feature. This is the most amazing feature of the one of the most amazing feature of JavaScript. So you can be able to do that using optional chaining, obviously with .then .catch. If you don't want to do that, then you can use async await. Let me show you. Const library equal to await. Obviously if you want to use await, you need to assign async as well, and after that library dot click triggered. This will do the same thing. Let me just refresh it, click, and we are getting an alert. Or if you want to destructure click triggered, then you can do that as well. Let me refresh, click, and we are getting our alert. So I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.